Have you ever felt awkward when starting or ending a conversation in Spanish? Something like this, maybe?
Hola.
Hola.
Adiós.
Adiós. This is very common, but also very easily fixed. We, native speakers, have a few patterns we repeat and reuse every time we want to end or start a conversation in a smooth way, with a friend or a stranger. And today I'm going to give them to you. I'm going to give you 5 openers and 5 closers that you can reuse as many times as you want to make the conversation ending or beginning sound much better. And make sure to watch until the end because some of them don't make sense in English, but they're what native speakers truly say. Let's start with the openers first. Now, the first opener is ¿Qué tal? And by itself, it means how are you? So you can start a conversation just by saying, hello, how are you? Hola, ¿qué tal? That's it. But you can also add things after that to ask about how things are going, depending on how much you know that person. For example, a stranger, just ¿Qué tal? Is enough. Or you can say ¿Qué tal todo? How is everything? Or if it's a Saturday, ¿Qué tal el fin de semana? How is the weekend? Or if you know them, ¿Qué tal la familia? How is the family? Or ¿Qué tal el trabajo? How is work? You see, that's a great way to start by asking them something and connect with them immediately. Alright, opener number 2 would be Perdona. Excuse me. And we use this to start a conversation with a question, normally to ask for help or make a request. Like, Perdona, ¿eres de aquí? Excuse me, are you from here? O Perdona, ¿dónde está el metro? Excuse me, where is the subway? Perdona, ¿tienes hora? Excuse me, do you have the time? It breaks the ice by asking something to someone. That's it. Very simple. Opener number 3, it's quite similar, and it's Sabes si, do you know if, and it's kind of a knowledge check question. You're asking whether or not they know something, they have some information you need. Like, ¿Sabes si está abierto? Do you know if it's open? ¿Sabes si hay que pagar? Do you know if we have to pay? ¿Sabes si podemos hacer fotos? Do you know if we can take pictures? So that's also a great way to approach someone to check if they know something you don't. Now, the next opener, opener number 4, it's something we do all the time with everybody when we don't know how to start a conversation. And that's using que, and then something we see, something we notice. We just comment about something and let the other person react. Great way to start a conversation with anybody. It's a way to say so or how something. Like, ¿Qué calor hace? It's so hot. Or, ¿Qué buen día hace hoy? What a beautiful day today. Or, ¿Qué buen ambiente? What a good vibe. That makes the other person agree or disagree or react, and then you can start a conversation that way. Very natural, very normal way to start. I don't know if you do that in English too, but in Spanish it's super normal. Just walk into a place or see someone and say, Uf, qué calor hoy, ¿no? It's so hot today, ¿no? Immediate connection, that's it. And the opener number 5, something we do a lot too, and it can seem a bit weird or intrusive, a bit stalky, but we do it. And that's the use of anda, meaning like, oh, or no way. And then you say something from the other person that you noticed or you saw. For this one to work, there has to be a trigger. For example, you're walking around and you see a guy with the England t-shirt. Then you can say, anda, ¿también eres de Inglaterra? No way, you're from England too? Or wow, you're from England too? Or you are at the train station and somebody on the suitcase or the bags has a sticker with Barcelona. You can say, anda, ¿has visitado Barcelona? Oh wow, have you visited Barcelona? It's something that kind of surprises you or triggers you. Or you see someone you saw before at another place during your trip, going into a train, and you can say, anda, yo también voy en ese tren. No way, I'm going on that train too. And then you start a conversation that way. Super easy. Alright, so now you can confidently and naturally start any conversation with anyone. So now let's try not to ruin it at the very end by making it awkward with the ending. So now I'm going to give you 5 closers to end any conversation really smoothly like a native speaker and escape any conversation politely. The number 1 closer that everybody says all the time is Bueno. Well, just with that, with the bueno, you are signaling that the conversation is coming to an end. Supernatural native way to say that this is ending. But we add things at the end, like, bueno, nos vemos otro día. Well, see you another day. Or, bueno, un placer. Well, it was a pleasure. Bueno, ya hablamos. Well, we'll talk soon. Or, bueno, me alegro de verte. Well, it was nice to see you. Really soft, and that bueno really makes the other person understand that, okay, that's it. The closer number 2 is similar to an opener with que, but this time it's not an exclamation, and we're going to use the subjunctive. And that means that we are hoping something, we are wishing something. It's a real send-off, not an excuse or anything. And it's a really nice and polite way to end a conversation. The most common ones are que vaya bien, I hope it goes well, anything. You can leave it as that, or you can say que vaya bien la reunión, I hope the meeting goes well. Que vaya bien el viaje, I hope the trip goes well. Or yes, que vaya bien, whatever it is. If the conversation didn't go further and you don't know what they're going to do, just que vaya bien, I hope it goes well, whatever it is that you're doing next. Another one is que tengas un buen día. Have a good day. I hope you have a good day. That's it. Que disfrutes del viaje. Enjoy the trip. Or que lo pases bien. Have fun. Those are just some of the most common ones that we use all the time. Now, the closer number 3 is encantado, if you're a man, or encantada, if you're a woman. The nice to, if it's the first time you meet them, you can say encantado de conocerte. Nice to meet you. Or if you have been talking to that person for a while, you can say encantado de hablar contigo. Nice talking to you. And if you have seen that person a few times already, you can say encantado de verte. Nice seeing you. Also a very useful and normal way to start saying goodbye. And then the closer number 4, it's a reason-giving closer. Like, I'm going to go, I'm going to leave, but I'm going to tell you why. And that's te dejo que, meaning I'm going to leave you because, or I'm gonna let you go because, like, te dejo que me tengo que ir. I let you go, I have to leave. Or te dejo que llego tarde. I have to leave you, I'm running late. Or te dejo que me están esperando. I let you go, they're waiting for me. Someone is waiting for me. So I tell you why I'm leaving. And the closer number 5, the last one, it's the opposite. I'm going to let you go, but because of you. And for this, we use no te entretengo más, que the translation is I don't entertain you anymore, or I don't keep you anymore. But in English, normally you say I won't keep you any longer, because you probably have things to do. So you can say things like no te entretengo más, que se hace tarde. I won't keep you any longer, it's getting late. Like I'm ending this for you, not for me. Or no te entretengo más, que estarás ocupado. I won't keep you, you must be busy. Or no te entretengo más, que te estarán esperando. I won't keep you, they must be waiting for you. Somebody must be waiting for you. You see how that works? So now that we have some nice openers and closers, let's see the interaction from before, but better.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola.
¿Qué buen día hace hoy?
Sí, muy buen día.
Bueno, un placer. Que te vaya bien.
Vale, igualmente.
Adiós.
Hasta luego. How about that? Much better, much more natural and smooth, right? Now you pick one opener and one closer and drop it in the comments, starting a conversation and sending me off in a very smooth way. Patreon family members, don't forget to grab your PDF file on our website with all these openers and closers plus additional examples so you don't have to take any notes. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any more videos that will help you speak Spanish in a faster and better way. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego!